Happiest birthday, Ate Tal! I hope all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. May God bless you today and forever. Happy birthday, Ate! I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Tal! More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and thank you for the love and care to me. Happy birthday! Bye!
Tal, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best in life, success and good health.
Hi Ate Tal! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for being our one call away ate. I hope you have a good life and a good health. Hindi mo kinaya ang filter ko. See you later!
Happy birthday, Ate Tal! Thankful ako kasi nakilala ka namin, naging ate ka namin. And lagi ka nandyan. Tuwing may kailangan kami, lagi ka nandyan. Tuwing may problema kami, pinapayuhan. Ang wish ko lang ngayong birthday mo, first birthday ko na magkakasama tayo. Sana maging pretty ka pa. Tsaka maging malakas. Yun lang, hindi na kita pipilitin mag-asawa kasi nasa sayo yun kung mag-aasawa ko, hindi. Joke lang. Pero happy birthday, I love you.
Hi Ate Tal, happy birthday! I miss you. Thank you for being a good ate. Miss ko na rin yung mga kape mo at saka yung mga pangaral mo. Wish ko sana magkaroon ka na ng boyfriend. Tapos ninang ako ha. Bye-bye. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Tal! Wish ko is good health and sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams and goals mo in life. And yun, happy birthday!
Hello, ate. Happy birthday. Wish ko marami pa sanang birthday na dumating sa'yo. Sana bigyan mo na kami ng pamangkin.
Happy birthday, Ate Tal. Na-surprise ka, no? Happy birthday and stay laging pretty and humble. Happy birthday. God bless.